Listen, the three-row luxury SUV market is ruthless, but Audi just completely overhauled their heavyweight contender, and it is packing way more punch than anyone expected. The 2027 Audi Q7 S Line we're looking at today is finished in a stunning Alapius blue, looking incredibly stealthy with the black optic treatment. Up front, you cannot miss the massive honeycomb single-frame grille, totally blacked out along with the Audi rings. Audi completely split the lighting for 2027, customizable digital matrix LED daytime running lights up top, with the main headlights hidden down in the bumper. Moving down the side, the fenders look noticeably muscular, perfectly housing those aggressive two-tone multi-spoke alloy wheels. Out back, you've got next-generation OLED taillights with a continuous light bar spanning the tailgate, finishing with dual exhaust outlets tucked into the lower diffuser. Swing open the doors and the cabin feels like a completely different era. This model features a beautiful cream leather interior contrasted by open-pore wood trim resting on the center console. You drop into deeply comfortable diamond-stitched power front seats behind a brand new flat-bottom steering wheel. The dash is a total tech powerhouse. There's a massive curved OLED display seamlessly blending the digital gauge cluster with the main infotainment, plus a separate screen just for the passenger. The back seats here feature the standard three-person bench for 7-passenger seating. Fold everything flat, and you unlock 78.1 cubic feet of trunk space. But here is my honest gripe. They moved the physical air vent controls into the touchscreen. Having to swipe a menu just to point the AC at your face in a daily driver is a massive step backward for usability. But let's talk performance. For 2027, Audi axed the sluggish base 4-cylinder. We checked Audi's official US media site and double-verified with Car and Driver. Under the hood, this Q7 now rocks a standard 2.9-liter turbocharged V6, pushing a confirmed 429 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. Routed through an 8-speed automatic and Quattro all-wheel drive, this heavy hauler blasts from 0 to 60 in a confirmed 4.8 seconds. And for everyone asking about the engine sound, I've got the raw video audio, and it sounds fantastic. It's not an obnoxious crackling V8, but a deeply refined sporty V6 growl. When you bury the throttle, you get a throaty hum that proves it has genuine Autobahn DNA. Plus, it tows up to 7,700 pounds. Audi officially confirmed the 2027 Q7 starts at $70,900, with a loaded S Line pushing into the mid-$80,000 range. It's aimed directly at the BMW X5 and Mercedes GLE. This is built for the tech-obsessed parent who refuses to drive a minivan and wants aggressive highway passing power. Would you pick this new Q7 over the BMW X5? Tell me why in the comments. Hit subscribe for daily reviews, and I'll see you next time.